The first ever marijuana vending machine has begun operating in Canada. The BC Pain Society offers what is described as medical pot, packed in sealed bags. There is a catch though. Users must have a special card given to them by their doctor, which certifies that they need the marijuana. The cash-only machine holds a variety of types of weed in different amounts. Half an ounce is sold in the machine for about $50. Canada's Global News has reported the machine in Vancouver is very welcomed, and the feedback has been incredible.